India search bar and trading you.
Good morning. How's everyone? Can everyone hear me?
What's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing?
I am good.
See my Huskers yesterday in basketball?
They pulled it off, didn't they?
Dominated. A prestigious, incredible school called Troy. Super great competition.
They playing a high school team?
People are like, oh, Troy sucks. Well, Duke barely beat frickin' Siena. You got all these 2 and 1 seeds barely beating their teams, and you got 4-seed Nebraska, who's destined for the Final Four, crushing Troy. Crushing.
What's up, YouTube, TikTok? Running cutting it close this morning, but we're here.
I picked High Point. I don't even know where High Point is, but I picked them to beat Wisconsin because I don't like Wisconsin. So I'm from Nebraska. Wisconsin likes to puff their chest out and they go, oh, we got cheese. And I'm like, nah, bro. We got corn.
I was cutting it close. Good morning. You all thought it was gone already, huh? I was working on something for Grizzology. I lost track of time. Plus, I was putting a fish tank together. All that good stuff. You ever just lose track of time? Good morning. We're right at my level I was looking to short, everyone. But I can't take it right before market open. Yeah, Team Bull, I can't take this short right now because the market's about to open. And a lot of times
Let's get it.
It just moves very quickly either way and invalidates the trade off the open. So
1 minute to open. This is your reminder, guys. Choose DOD. Discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive.
good luck, everyone. Spartan, I have to wait till Jadon allows me. David, I feel you. Just hang out. Share the live, everyone. It's time. Market's open.
Don't look at that reject, bro.
Man, it smacked.
Don't look at that reject to VWAP and Asia Low.
It did us dirty. Right at open, literally. Right at open. That's all I wanted was it was short there at Asia Low.
Damn. What's up, bro? come see Blue on the way to the gym. Yeah, we can see him.
What are you hitting at the gym today?
Probably arms.
Arms.
Sun's out, guns out. Dude, that Asia low reject, bro.
Telling you, man. Anytime you can catch a short when it retests Asia low.
We had VWAP right there too.
Yep.
That was why I liked it. I really don't use Asia low, but you mix it with.
It's so weird too. Asia, you know, some people prefer like different Asia times. Like there's different strategies that require different Asia closing and opening times. I don't know. I like the 3 a.m. If you go, 4 to 5, you got London overlapping. Should have shorted. No, I couldn't short right off the open. You all know how that goes. You can't take a trade right before open or right at open.
I don't like taking trades right off open either. Clearly.
Used to, we could catch some trades right at open, but a lot of here recently, NQ's just been chopping back and forth somewhat. CDP, we got this, man. We got this. Triple witching.
It is.
Triple witching.
It is triple witching today. OPEX Friday. So we'll be careful. I still think we can catch a nuclear banger. Guess what? Mr. Gene brought me my copy. Shout out, Mr. Gene. Mr. Gene brought me my copy.
What a sell-off.
Please. It's kind of foul of this market to do us like that.
Yeah. Literally right at open. I would have taken it 15 minutes before market open. I would have tried it 15 minutes after. Even 10 minutes after.
You did be taking some trades pre-market.
Yeah, I take them occasionally, but not close to at the actual time we open. $5 minutes cutting it close, I would say. I know you all caught that Asia entry yesterday, Asia low short after I left.
Yeah.
Smack.
We caught a banger. We didn't catch that. We caught the 2-bar that went with it.
Nice.
That Asia low retest was nasty.
I caught a little piece of it. I thought I was going to get stopped out. It nearly got my stop loss before it retraced a little more than I expected.
Yup. Let's get it.
What's up, everyone? Good morning. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Share the live.
Over dopamine. If you think about taking a bad trick,
I'm going to mute that, talk to you all. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, the chat here. Thank you for all the likes. What's the play? Oh, I'm telling you all, a lot of people want me to change Grizzology to 4 a.m. close. But the 3 a.m. level, from what I've seen, I realize that 3 a.m. is cutting it short by an hour or so, but that's the most well-respected level I've found for Asia. It just respects that 3 a.m. close. I don't know. You can see it. You've seen it the last 2 days, how well it respects it. Excuse me. I like to start Asia. I think Sydney actually opens at 6 p.m., but I start my Asia level. I like to capture 6 p.m. The day before to 3 a.m. on Asia. Just well-respected levels. I'm pretty sure like the ICT strategy starts at 8 p.m. You have to read. Don't quote me on that, but I believe the ICT community likes 8 p.m. For Asia. Any questions? I'm just talking. TikTok, share the live. Let's get everyone in here. No one here this morning because we had a winning day. Everyone's sleeping in from the money. Everyone made money yesterday, sleeping in this morning. What do I think will bounce? I think pre-market low would be a good starting point. Previous day low and pre-market low down there, Nick. How do I use field retracement for what purpose, Kenny? What are you like? What would you be trying to measure? I don't use fibs often, but I know how to use them. What do you mean, J Dom? Like you just having trouble staying consistent? It just depends what you're using it for, Kenny. Let me see if I can find you a video for that, Kenny. Just to help you out. It's easier to actually just let you watch the video than try to show you on the small chart in front of you. I'm telling you, if you show up to our live this coming week, everyone, we're gonna really lock in. I'm ready to capitalize. I gotta make some money. You all want to make some money, so be ready for I'm not gonna say tough week, but we're gonna grind. Mike says, I purchased Grisology. How do I load it into TradingView? So Mike, you purchase through WAP, right? And once you purchase, you have a community inside WAP that comes with Grisology. You'll have a community chat, and you also see a TradingView tab. You click on it, and that's where you claim it. It actually has a video there walking you through it. You can talk in the community chat if you have any more questions. And make sure you read the complete user guide for Grisology. It has step-by-step, so. I got you, Spartan. He allowed me to share. $4.87. You're welcome, Mike. Appreciate you for joining the Grisology community. It's a lot easier to claim on. People have a lot easier process claiming Grisology on desktop. I mean, it works. You can use it on TradingView Mobile, but I'm just saying it's easier to claim. Any questions, TikTok? Any questions at all? I was thinking about taking shorts, everyone, not longs. I wouldn't be taking longs here personally. But I wouldn't even consider longs until or shorts rather, to 454. Oh. 454 is my entry. I'm not in shorts yet. It may go without us, everyone. It didn't quite get up there. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to take it. I'm trying to watch the volume on this candle closely as we push up. Yeah. Yeah. We could. It's possible. I was considering shorts right here, but kind of ripping up. I was considering shorts right here.
Yeah, I'd look for something along those lines too. Just like to see a few more candlesticks form.
Yeah. Well, I guess I should have tried a little piece there, but I thought this volume may be higher than the previous, but I don't think it will be. It's gonna be close.
Well, 40 more seconds until we find out.
Well, that's unfortunate. Literally touched my entry to a T. You just never know what happens on Triple Witchy. It could pump up and trend up all day.
That'd be a tough candle to short anyway. Full body with equal volume, not tiny bit lower, but that's a tough candle to short regardless. And that 15-minute chart too is strong.
I'd like to see what we do around pre-market low.
Damn Dragon, I'm just going to be dead honest with you. I'm going to throw a shot at you. Your boy picked both the UN.
I would love just to see a nice push down to pre-market low, see if we bounce it. Or at least get an orb set up today. I'd be okay with that. I just hope we don't retest this Asia low in this chop around. I'm gonna have quit doubting myself.
Any Vanderbilt fans in here?
I'm gonna have quit doubting myself. That was the entry.
What were you watching, like 455?
Oh, contact. Yeah, 454 was my exact place I wanted to short.
I could see how you had some doubt that 5-minute candle was tough. It was full body, not bad volume.
We got 2 minutes 20 seconds left on this candle. If we could get some high volume here, I'd even look for a short based off this candle. As long as we don't turn green, you know. Ideally, we get below point of control, below that 400.
Yep, 400. A milli.
For those that actually took the trade, I know I hesitated. It was a legit setup. It was a good job if you took it and, if you're actively managing it. Congrats. I love seeing you all make money, even if I miss out. No hate from me. Nice, D. You made 1,245. Nice. The cleaning people are coming today. Get my house clean. I cannot stand a dirty house. Yeah, it is, right? Good eye, Nick. I'd say it's about to change quickly, though. It's that point of control. Or maybe it just wasn't coming in because it kind of froze there for a bit.
Not bad, but not great.
Good morning, Mr. Bar. How you been? I wish we'd get a nice bounce that I'm looking for, rather. A bounce around pre-market low. I want to see if we kind of sweep it. We get the high volume reversal. Look for push back up to 400 plus. Excuse me, Jesus. Every time I hit the steam room, it just opens up my sinuses. I guess where I've not hit it, I've not been to the steam room in a while either. I'm just going to start. When I see this trade set up, I'm going to quit doubting myself. I'm going to take it. We're going to manage the risk. As long as you all agree with it. Let's see if we can get a high volume. If we can get high volume on this candle, it could set us up for a nice orb play, everyone. That would be ideal. I would definitely look for shorts based off the orb strategy, if so. You all know how that works, so let's see. What, we got 2 minutes 40 seconds?
Derivatives.
Could give us the orb strategy today, Jada. Could.
Stock options, index options, and index futures.
Could.
But it typically means you can see some wonky price movement. Not always, but sometimes.
Yeah. Is it gonna give us the orb strategy?
It might.
It could.
You're watching for it.
Nice strong close. Pull back to that 380 to 400. Or wait a second. What's the bottom of that? Yeah, around 380. Let's hope it doesn't sweep this pre-market low off this candle here before retracing.
Jeez Louise. Don't look at your entry up there at 454, Grizzly.
Man, both of my entries there are just printing. I'm gonna have to start doubting myself. Stop doubting it. Just start ripping it.
380, 400.
I'm just sitting here talking to you on Zoom, muted, by the way.
So damn bro hates me. We got a minute left on this candle, guys. I close this right here. I look for a pullback up to the opening range low to 400 with stops above like 420-ish.
It's got the volume, man.
Yeah, setup looks good.
380 to 400.
I think it's worth a try, even if we got stopped out initially, if it stops at like 420.
You got this, Sean.
The Grizz doubt indicator is similar to the Jadon thinks indicator. When I think something, I don't take it. Typically, the bias works. The Jadon think indicator prints. Ten seconds left on this candle.
Watch it wick up and close above 15-minute range.
I'm still willing to try it if we pop. I'd rather see closer to like 390, but 380 to like 400.
I'm gonna add some at 380 and add more around 400.
I like that idea.
If it even gives it to us.
I like that idea. I think we want to keep moving down. I'll fire the indicator for y'all. You're welcome.
Literally like 8.75 from her entry.
Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. I just said that as a joke. It ended up being a joke.
That's unfortunate.
The Jadon think indicator remains undefeated. Remains undefeated.
No, I didn't take it. It didn't get to my first. I was going to add at like 79 or right at 80. My first, I was going to add half my position there. Half or the rest closer to point of control.
Wow. We took out low at 82, so that setup became a little bit less probable. If we take out pre-market low, it becomes a lot less probable.
I know on triple witching days like this, sometimes you get the nice reversals around pre-market low. So let's see. Or just flips, goes the complete opposite way, the way you think it will.
literally said, I think it wants to keep going down. It just died. I was trying to joke about the Jade on Think indicator and ended up banging. Would love to have seen a move up here. And now that we're taking out pre-market low, the setup became a little bit less probable. So I'll still watch for it, but there's significantly more risk in it.
I hope so. I mean, I don't like all the bad news, Mr. Babar, but I hope we do have a nice pullback in the market. Honestly, anything to get us away from this range for a bit, right? And I like to position myself in some big leap plays or swing trades. Long term.
That hurts. That hurts, that hurts, that hurts.
Nice, Alexander. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me on a Friday.
When it rains, it pours. Damn. And there was no pullback on that. I'd have been willing to try that 380 to 400. I will still watch for if we get, say we get a really strong close down here, I'll watch for a retest back up.
Wow.
Wow. I'm in love with it. The 5-minute chart usually is how I confirm my trades. But again, I always say this, if there's no retest, there's no trade for me.
This candle here is going to have more volume.
Yep. 40 more seconds on it. Oh. Those 20 push-ups help me stay patient for the entry on my shorts, I'm telling you. You want to change your psychology, you change your biology. That's why we started implementing getting our heart going, our push-ups before market open every day. Using DOD.
I had a nice bull day this morning.
Did you? Well, I mean, technically speaking, it's valid for 371, 330.
It'd have to be around pre-market low, entry or previous day low. 326.
320 to 330, yeah. I'll probably try it.
I'll try some with you. Hopefully it don't sweep this pre-market low and rip it. Wow.
I'd like to see 320 to like 330 with stops at like 370. I'm not sure we're going to get it.
Me either.
It's the 50% retracement of the day. 400. I'm watching. Watching and staying patient and watching. Come on, baby. Nothing.
You passed the eval? Nice, Sean. You got it. It's awesome, man. Happy for you.
Yeah, I like to. I buy or sell in retracements. I don't buy or sell breakouts. So on days where we just go straight down or straight up.
Is there any scheduled announcements this weekend, Mr. Babar, that you think could play into that?
Or sign of reversal.
or just uncertainty?
Like, for example, here, what I'm watching for is I want to see a retracement to like 320 to 330 in here.
Everyone staying locked in this morning? No forcing trades, all that good stuff? You force one, you have to eat ramen for the weekend? I feel for you. Come on. That was no retracement. What are you doing? Just want one good trade, everyone. No more nonsense here. I'm watching. This is high volume. High volume. I mean, the candle looks okay, but I'm not convinced here, everyone. If we get a close above pre-market low, then I will consider longs. What are you all watching? What's your favorite setup right now? I still think shorts, well, the previous candle had good volume, right? So kind of invalidated a short entry here, trying to catch trend. You know what, let me look at the delta on that previous candle. That's a good starting point. negative 22 delta on that previous candle. I'm starting some shorts, everyone. Well, everyone hear me? Why? Hello? Hello? I'm in shorts. If you can hear me. Hello?
Oh my gosh.
Can you hear me, Team Bull?
Now I can.
I said I'm in shorts. I've been screaming it.
Oh, no, yeah, that wasn't on the stream, bro.
Jesus.
Yeah, no, that's what I was saying. I figured you'd be trying to talk, but couldn't hear you.
I don't know why Zoom kicks me off. Like, it kicks my audio off and will not connect back easily sometimes.
Dude, 2 points.
In shorts. I want low a day.
So annoying. I was 2 points away from entering. Literally 2. 2 points.
It would have been easy to go long there if we hadn't looked at delta on this candle. Had negative delta on that green candle. There we go. There we go, everyone. I'm trimming.
Because it wasn't coming through before, bro.
I don't know what to say. I was trying my best, and it was showing I was speaking. I don't know if you... It was showing the actual mic moving.
2 points. Oh, that's very annoying. I'm trying it if we get the strong close down here.
Well, did you anybody catch that with me on the live here? I know Team Bull didn't get to because stupid Zoom. Getting tired of dealing with this Zoom, man. It gets on my nerves. Hey, you can get in Team Bull Raymond. Just go to my website. I got a link there, grizzlytrades.com. If you want to join the community. My stop is like at 319, everyone. I'm trying to give this room. I'm upset about not getting to trade out the Team Bull. I've trimmed once, everyone, when I said it. Nice, Martin. Glad to be back. No way. Did Chuck Norris really pass away? Is that a joke? Can you hear me now, Team Bull?
Can you hear that?
Chuck Norris.
Couldn't hear anything before.
Chuck Norris passed away.
Who?
Chuck Norris.
Damn, that's crazy. What?
I was in NQ shorts when I found out. Oh.
Damn, R.I.P. Bro. DOD.
Well, I'm trimming again, everyone. I trimmed it low a day.
That's a tough one. That's a tough one for sure. That's a tough one for sure.
On a good note, I had all 3 short entries right today.
Oh my gosh.
Marcus respecting technical as well on
I know.
today.
I know.
Zone to zone, everyone. Or, yeah. This, demand right here. Final price target.
For the next A+ setup, which I might just even, I don't know. If we don't get anything in the next like 20, 30 minutes, I'll probably just call it a day. That annoyed me. That was the setup. It's literally 2 more points. Technically speaking, a 2 bar is valid here. I'm not even sure I want to take it. To be completely honest. Guess we could stop above like 311. Entry at like 280.
Excuse me.
Annoyed if I try this and get stopped out after missing that last one by 2.
Nice. What's up? Sorry about that, Team Bull. I was trying my best to get the trade out to you. It was showing I was speaking like 2 different times. It just wasn't coming through. I don't know.
It'd be like 280. I mean, it's going to be a very green week for me regardless, but.
I mean, if you're going to try shorts based off this candle, this is the area.
Yeah. I'm going to try the 2 bar. I'm going to try a small piece of shorts up here. Even small piece. I'm not putting on all the risk today. Up here, guys. I tried the 2 bar. Stops at 312.
Hope this prints for Jadon.
I have half size risk on.
That's kind of got me down. Chuck Norris passed.
is it? Oh shit.
Looks like it's gonna push up the candle. What the flips? What is it? Please don't stop. Jay done out.
I still like later on in the day if we can get it. The only other thing I like today is a retest up to like 365. It's way later, but I tried the 2-bar up here for shorts. I had my hard stops at like 312.
What's everyone got planned for the weekend? Any fun plans?
We're trying.
Come on, rip down for him. Give him a low day.
Come on.
Just boring plans. Work, auto auction. What you buying, Honda?
We can tell at least now that we're trying. Like, we had the right idea. We went up, wicking down. You'd like to see us push to low a day now. If we don't get that, then I'm still going to keep my stops in the same spot. I'm not going to move them down to 300 quite yet. If we got some aggressive close bolt down, I might move them to 300, but I'm going to keep my stops in place as they are. On the bright side, it didn't just immediately nuke up.
Nice, Nick.
Shows the idea was loose, right? We'll see if the follow through is or if it wants to reverse back up.
Bad weather in your area, Sean? Give Jay Dunn low a day. Straight down.
I don't know. It's tough to say right now.
Give him 24, 220.
Thought about it. Come on. Come on. Die, please.
Glad your baby is doing better. That's scary stuff.
Die, please.
Come on, give him low day.
Come on. We got like almost 20 points there. I'm going to move my stops to 300, guys. I'm going to move them down a little bit. You want to trim there, you technically could have near 1-to-1, but nothing for me. I wanted to see a low day. We got from like 80 to 90 up to down to 262. I wanted to see more there, and it doesn't look like it's going to give it. So we'll take a small L if we get stopped out, and I'll look for re-entry maybe at like 330 to 360 or something like that. We'll see.
Come on, go down.
Come on. Push it down. No, not up. Push it down. Push it down. I'm trimming a little off here down, guys. Down here, guys. I'm scalping this. I don't like what I'm seeing in price action, but I'm going to take a little off here. Wrist from or stops from the same spot. I'd like to see a low a day. Come on, 2-bar. Play. play, 2-bar. Come on, 2-bar, play.
I don't.
Play, 2-bar.
You should technically get like 24 220.
Give us 40s.
I was muted talking again in Team Ball. It's hilarious.
Come on.
What's up?
50s. That's
Nice,
a good
Jackson.
Start. We like to see 40s. Come on. Come on. There we go, guys. There we go. This is what I want to see. Come on, a little more.
Bro, what is this price action? Like, give him low a day. Quit playing with his emotions over here. I'm gonna give him a brain heart attack.
Traveling even further. I'd like to see it lower on here. I want to see it on this candle though. I don't want to see us wick back and forth. Come on, push it down. Push it down, come on.
Yeah. It's almost like it's triple witching.
Come on. Alright, I put my stops just about break even, guys. Not letting this go red. I don't trust this price action.
This price action is literally messing with you.
Out of this. Oh, 80. What was it? 80. My stops are 80, guys. I was going to say out of this trade. My stops are 80, everyone. If we get 80, I'm out of this trade. On MNQ. MNQ, not NQ. I know there's a little difference sometimes. MNQ. MNQ. MNQ.
You can, I mean, William, I mean, it works well with describing what happens to people during certain trading.
Give me 40 before. Come on, don't push back up. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
It's about to rip.
Don't you do it. Come on.
Straight down to the lower day.
80.5. Come on. 2-barred up.
I'm gonna
Don't
call
do
you
it.
B, but it is a 5-minute time frame. You almost got me.
It looks like we won't do continuation. If you look at this 5-minute chart here.
Almost got me.
Whatever. After missing that first trade by 2 points, I'll take it.
My brain feels like it's all over the place this morning. You ever feel like that? Ever have mornings like that where you just can't get your brain to quit thinking about everything else you have to do?
Come on. Just
Yeah, we caught a winning trade. Nice winning trade, honestly.
No.
Sometimes I can't even sleep because when my brain gets going,
Got down to 50s.
it just
So I wanted to see down to
doesn't
40s.
stop.
That was my ideal trade. We want to get it though. We'll see.
G-Man says, sometimes I forget I have to go to my day job.
I think that we want to go up.
Yeah, that sounds like you have selective
I win too.
memory loss.
We'll see if the pink indicator can work. Dart thrower. Pretty good at throwing darts then.
You got a trim off, right? So it's a winning trade for you at least. It just stopped you out, didn't it?
Yep, out of this trade. No, I mean, I think it still has room to go based on this 5-minute, but I'm not going to sit there and play with it. I still think we can move. You could, if you want more risk on, you have your stops at like 310. But I'll take my just about break even green. We'll call it that. I can't believe that first entry didn't hit 330. I still think we're gonna move down. I really do.
We have one more setup I'm watching, everyone. So it's around 24,220. See if we bounce that area. If that falls through, I will be done because that's all I have. J done sell indicator's about to hit.
Well, probably will.
J done sell indicator. Thinking about streaming longer this coming week. I'm ready to grind, make some money.
Come on, join me, baby.
Trying to get me figure out a way to not stand all day at my desk. Nice back. I can't hardly sit. It hurts my lower back if I sit too long at my desk. Not just for the moment, it's like lasts for a minute. I just hate sitting all day as well. My stomach is like going crazy, growling. How did Gene do during the Asia?
Did he go last night?
Nice. Is he there with you?
Yeah, he's over at his desk. He's over at his desk. Really had higher hopes for that trade, for that 2-bar.
Man, it looked good. It's just chopping around here.
I had high hopes for that. I'll take a scalp, I guess, but I loved that setup before. I loved that setup before. It missed it by 2 points. That was the one up here.
Have a good
On OPEX day, I can see it.
Have a good weekend, Christian, if you're leaving the Zoom. Hourly, Smitty. It's a real small zone, though. I don't have high hopes for it, but we'll see. Any questions? YouTube, TikTok? I'm just hanging out, see if we get one more setup. Low volume push up. breakfast. I've already had about 40 grams of protein this morning. Next meal is going to be steak that I cook on the grill. You know? Let's see here. That's what this candle does. This is going to be an important candle. Hopefully the people cleaning come soon. I'm going to do the giveaway this coming week, okay? I know it's been a wild week as far as me missing and being stranded and everything going on this week. Plan on locking in this coming week. Could be. Let's see what happens. All right, Dom. I'll check it out as soon as I get off here. I got you. Appreciate the follow, Ruben. Make sure you all follow. Gonna go live every day this coming week. Any questions? We got time. We had a nice trade. The only setup I still like, which I'm not crazy about it. What are we thinking here? Should we call it? We had a nice winning trade.
How much longer do I have of live trading? Long time. Years. As long as I can. I love this game. I love this game.
I thought you were retiring. Jaden's like, no, I'm never retiring.
Never.
Two winning trades. Wait a second, yeah. I had a winning trade yesterday, winning trade today.
I had a baby winner. You had a nice winner too.
How many points did yours go in profit? You got to trim off though, right? 20 something points?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah.
entry, if you got 80, closer to 90 was better, but even around 80, you got like 30 points.
Nice.
And like 50s, 52. It's all right. I expected more out of the 2-bar, but it's fine.
I feel like this candle here is going to go to low a day or something crazy.
Can you look and say hi? I have to use the restroom. Gene's gonna come say hi. Be nice to him.
He thinks I'm going to bully you.
Yeah, he really does. Can you guys hear me?
We can hear you.
Jeez, let that drop back down.
I think I may just call it a week.
Yeah.
Ending green. It's been a wild week.
It's still better than last week, in my opinion.
I love the price action today, this morning at least. I missed out on a couple of setups, but eventually caught one.
I took those shorts you didn't take. I had a fib right there.
Nice.
But it was just neat though.
Nice, Jacob. Passed 3 more take profit accounts today. It's awesome, man. If you all want to try take profit with Jacob, go to grizzlytrades.com. Use code you'll see take profit and a few other prop firms you can look through, or a couple other, and check it out. Yeah, code Grizzly. Have a good weekend, Jackson. I need everyone back in here next week with me. I'm serious. I really want to get a profits coming, you know.
I'm taking the fast card with you today.
I want to maybe size up a little later in this year. We'll see.
Everyone keeps asking me where I get my bone marrow. I love my bone marrow.
I hate eating bone marrow.
Really?
Man, I just don't like it. I just don't know what it is. It's just I like steak, sushi,
Best.
liver, all that stuff. I just do not like bone marrow. I don't know.
My favorite, man. Love me some nice bone marrow.
Well, is this another short setup here?
Could be.
300
Stuff
entry?
with like 330.
Yeah,
Actually, doesn't look bad.
it doesn't look bad. I already logged out on my Tradevate. It's the only issue. Yeah, no, I'm not going to take it. I'm going to call it. No more trades this week. Just glad to be home. $300 would have been an entry if you are trying it. Stops at 327. All right, TikTok, YouTube. I'm gonna call it a week.
At least you don't mind that 300
But we're
area.
grinding
This
next
area
week.
of 300 for shorts
Be
is
ready.
330.
Appreciate you all, and I'll see you Monday. Hope you have an amazing weekend.
Looks great.